All right, here's a question where you have to do long division to divide two polynomials. I'm more interested in making sure that you're good at synthetic division, but here's one. Notice with this one that this dividend underneath, it goes in the right degree order, so there's a 3. Let me just get this just a sec. So there's a 3, then there's a 2, then there's a 1, and then this one doesn't have any degree. And also the same thing happens with the divisor, so if it starts at a y, the next one would be just a plain number. If you're dividing something like this one here on 17, where it's x squared plus 2, you'd need to have the x term, so it'd be x squared plus 0x plus 2. Anyway, with this one here, if I'm dividing, I look to see how many times 5y will divide into 10y cubed. And the answer to that is 2y squared. Okay, so what I did there is I took 10y cubed and I divided it by 5y. And that gave me the 2y squared. Then I'm going to multiply the 2y squared by each of the terms here, and I'll write my answer underneath there. Okay, so 2y squared times 5y, 10y cubed, and 2y squared times a minus 2 is a minus 4y squared. Okay, now I need to subtract these two terms. And be careful when you're subtracting. If you have a negative, like right here, you've got to worry about that double negative. So 10y squared minus 10y squared is nothing. And then 6y squared minus a negative means 6y squared plus 4y squared comes out to 10y squared. So what I had there was 6y squared minus a negative 4y squared, and these two minuses cancel to be a positive. Okay, now I'll bring down the next number, negative 9y. Now I'll divide 5y into 10y squared, and that'll just go plus 2y times. So plus 2y. Now I'm going to take this 2y and multiply it by each of the things over here. So 2y times 5y, 10y squared. 2y times minus 2y is a minus 4y. Okay, now I'll subtract these two expressions. 10 minus 10 cancels. Negative 9 minus a negative 4 would be a negative 5y. So what I did there was a negative 9y minus a negative 4y. Again, these two become positive. You get negative 5y. Okay, bring down the 10, so plus 10. Now I'll divide 5y into negative 5y. And that'll go negative 1 times. Multiply, so it'd be negative 5y. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2. Then subtract both these. So negative 5 minus a negative cancels, and 10 take away 2 would be 8. So in my answer then, my quotient will be this top thing, 2y squared plus 2y minus 1, and my remainder will be 8. Okay, hopefully that helps you with this question. Again, this is long division. I'm more interested in making sure that you're good with dividing synthetically. Okay.